Wait is over, it is a solution time. Do you remember our graph challenge? Published on 28th July. Right on our 1-minute problems playlist. Let's begin. Let us try to understand the graph first. What kind of graph is given here? Yes, you are right. It is a straight line graph of velocity and displacement. Now, if I ask, what is the general equation of a straight line drawn between the y-axis and the x-axis? All of us will say, y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the graph, and c is a constant, also called the intercept. Now let's draw a similar graph between y and x, just as given. Then you could see, it would be y equal to minus y naught by x naught times x plus y naught. Now, based on same line, we may write the equation of the given graph as v equal to minus v naught by x naught times x plus v naught. What is acceleration, if I ask? Your answer would be rate of change of velocity. What is rate of change of velocity? It is the slope of the vt graph, or dv by dt. Now, we may also write as v dv by dx using a little modification. So, as we have a vx equation, we can differentiate v with respect to x and then multiply with v again. See, this time also we got the equation of a straight line, but now with a positive slope. Simple, you see. Graphs are no more a pain. Next time, just break things down like we have shown here. Graph questions will be just a cakewalk. If you liked the solution, hit the subscribe button and ding the bell icon for all notifications. Share it with your friends preparing for engineering and medical entrance papers. Till then, signing off from Numericals Studio, your ultimate partner in your journey.